Hi, I'm Therese Cranston. I'm a spiritual consultant and psychic medium. And I am super stoked because we recently had a fundraiser for our friend Sherry. Her channel is Voices from the Swamp. And I won the one of the skincare kits from Andro and Niki. So it's huge. First of all, I think this thing is like I don't remember how much it is, but it's probably like over $200. It's amazing. That was so nice of him to donate. He donated a few of them, and I won one of them, so I'm really excited. I was very excited because I've been wanting to try this stuff. So I have to tell you, I know you've probably seen, if you follow me, then I'm sure you follow other people like Linda G. I'm sure you follow like Sherry and Mel, all the people that rave about these products. They are for real. They are not just raving. These guys are the real deal. This stuff is really good stuff, and it's very competitively priced. So I highly recommend it. So the first thing is the lotion. What I love about the lotion is, first of all, it's really cool because it comes in this container that you can pump it, and it's only, look at the price. It's only I had it pulled up and I lost it. Oh man, I lost it. I think it's only like what, $49.95, is it? Oh man, I lost it again. Get it together, Kyle. Oh, sorry, I lost the page again. I had it all pulled up and I lost it. It's $49.95 for the whole thing. And then all you do is you get the refills because you have the container, and the refills are only $39.95. Now, for a quality like anti-aging lotion, I think that's a steal, because think about it. I was using Cetaphil and CeraVe. They're like 14 or $15 now. So it's not much more to get something that's very, it's really anti-aging and helps with, and that isn't irritating to your skin. Because like I said, I don't think I said this, but they don't use retinol, which I love. They use, I'm gonna read the letter. I'm just gonna spell it out for you because I cannot pronounce it. It's BAKUCHIOL. It's some kind of ingredient that helps with and peptides that helps with anti-aging and helps with firmness, but it doesn't irritate your skin like retinol does. Because I can't use retinol. I use retinol and my skin is like blotchy and like itchy, and it hates it. But I've been using this stuff for about 3 weeks now, and I love it. And I've noticed a difference. I've noticed my fine lines have gotten a little bit smaller, like just kind of a little bit finer. I noticed like my eyes seem less puffy. I used it came with 7 serums, and the 2 that I've used so far, I haven't used all of them yet because I haven't really had to, is this Breakout and Blemish booster. I swear by this. I was all broken out because I got a lip wax. Don't judge. I got a little bit of a Fu Manchu going on. I can't help it. I'm a girl with dark hair. So I used it. I just used it because I was really broken out from that. And I had some hormonal like pimples going on. Within a day, my skin was cleared up, and it doesn't have any harsh chemicals in it. It's like rosemary oil and tea tree oil and some other stuff. I mean, it's really nice, and it's really it's good for sensitive skin too, because like I said, I have very sensitive skin. And these serums are only like $29.95 for a serum. I don't know if I've recorded this video like 3 times because I kept messing up. So I can't remember if I said this. So forgive me if I did. I was using, I used to use Philosophy, and I like Philosophy. I really do. But I was using one of their serums, and that was like, it was like $60. So this serum is like half the price, and it's very good. I would say it's better because I actually noticed a difference in my skin since I've used it. And then I really like the anti-aging serum, which I feel like is with that combined with the lotion has really helped my fine lines and helped me. I just feel like giving me like a youthful glow. So what I've been doing, because I do break out, is I've been using the anti-aging one, but then when I notice a breakout, I'll switch to this one for like a day. And then I'll go back to the anti-aging once I get my skin like under control again, because I break out every once in a while. But the other ones that it came with are really awesome. I'm excited for this one for winter. The dry and irritated booster serum. I have a feeling this winter I'm going to be using this like crazy. And I do want to take a little side note and mention that. So I was using, up until I got this, I was using just like Cetaphil lotion, like face lotion for very sensitive skin. But I noticed it doesn't always like kind of get into my face. Like sometimes it'll like kind of feel cakey, or like it's not absorbing, or I'll feel like it's like on my nose, like it's in my pores. It's kind of bubbling up in my pores. And I'm like, why is there like white stuff in my pores? Because the lotion's not fully absorbing. I don't have any issue with this. This absorbs into my skin beautifully. It really does. Okay, so nighttime repair and booster serum. I am super lazy and I will go to bed without washing my face like all the time. But now that I have this, I'm actually going to start using it at night, because why not? I have it. Why not use it? This is awesome. It just helps, like at nighttime, just helps repair your skin. There's also a this one looks awesome too. The damage prevention booster serum, just to kind of help like to keep those, keep your skin looking youthful and help with like free radicals and stuff. It doesn't contain sunscreen. So, you want to, if you go out, I would definitely add like some sunscreen to your, after, like wait like a few, like 10-15 minutes after you do this, and then add the sunscreen to it. I would do that. But this has like bergamot in it. It has, what else? Carrot seed oil, just the jojoba. I always say jojoba, but I think it's jojoba or jojoba. Anyway, like I said, I mispronounce things. And then there's an oily skin booster serum. I haven't tried that yet, but I'm excited to try it because I get really oily in my T-zone. I get shiny here and I get shiny like here, but I also get really dry here, and sometimes I get dry like here. It's, my skin is kind of weird. So I have a feeling, just because everything in this skincare kit is so awesome, I have a feeling that it's going to balance it nicely. And this is supposed to help like just kind of calm down your production of the sebaceous glands, which produces oil. And then did I get all of them? I feel like no, I did. Okay. And the last but not least, we have the daytime protection oil or serum. The daytime protection serum, like I said, it doesn't have sunscreen in it. So if you're going out in the sun, you definitely want to add the sunscreen. But this just helps like protect you from like those free radicals. It helps from like the UV rays. It helps like this, helps the skin repair against damage. It has apricot. Is it apricot? Am I reading that right? No, it has sunflower seed oil. Yeah, apricot kernel oil. It says jazz. I'm going to mispronounce it. I am just so bad at pronouncing stuff that I'm just not going to do that. But it's really great. Everything is sourced from non-GMOs. They are they use responsible ingredients and ethical trade. Everything is just pure natural derivatives. There's no artificial fragrance or scent, because I know people that are allergic to like fragrance or sensitive to scents. There's no fillers, there's no bulking agents, there's no chemical additives. I am really impressed. Like I said, I have very sensitive skin. I usually just use like Cetaphil or Philosophy, but they have made believers out of me. I will definitely be back, especially given their pricing. I mean, like I said, the serum is cheaper than like these expensive serums you'll find at like a department store, but it's amazing stuff. Like, and they also have some really cool stuff going on right now. I was looking at their website. They have a thing where if you spend like $75, you get a free anti-aging serum. So you could buy like the lotion and then buy like one serum. If you spend over $125, you get a free moisturizer, which is awesome. Or if you spend, if you buy their LED light therapy mask, you get the free starter kit, which is like $125 value. That mask looks awesome. It's like $400 though. I can't afford that. Or what is it? Let me look at it. That thing looks awesome though. Oh yeah, it's $3.99. I bet it's awesome though. It's supposed to help with that like light therapy. I know people that have it. They put it on their channel, but it's pretty cool stuff. So maybe I'll save up for it. I don't know. It looks pretty awesome. Anyway, I'm really impressed with this stuff. They also have a rewards program too. If you like refer somebody, you get you get rewards. You can get like, you earn up points as you shop, which is awesome. And I'm all about rewards programs. I have them. You should see my keychain. I look like a janitor. I have like all these like rewards programs everywhere. Like my keychain is so big, it's full of stuff. Anyway, I'm really impressed with everything. I really like it. The people that have been raving about the stuff are not lying. It's really good stuff. Very, very good stuff. What else? They have like, I'm looking at their website right now. They have like the serums. I'm trying to see if there's anything else cool that they have. They have, a face wash. They have like a, aloe and vitamin E face wash. They have I wanna try this. They have a microdermabrasion cleanser. I used to use one from Origins, like, years ago, and I ran out, and I don't have an Origins anywhere near me, so I wanna get that. I think it's what I'm gonna buy, the microdermabrasion cleanser, because it comes with it works with enzymes, so it's not, like, crazy harsh. It shouldn't be harsh on your skin. They have a toner. They have, like, a dark spot remover. Like, they have a nice charcoal mask, and then they have, like, an exfoliator that goes along with, like, the microdermabrasion. Now, this is pretty cool. If you get the microdermabrasion cleanser, which is like $25, and then you get the microdermabrasion exfoliator, which is like 50, you can get them both for 60. That's a steal, y'all. That's a steal. Like their deals on their website are awesome. So anyway, I highly recommend, and they are like super nice. Like I said, they donated a bunch of stuff to Sherry's fundraiser. They're really nice. So like if you want to support a company that's like really nice and like gives back to their community and that has great products, I highly recommend Andro Niki Skincare. So thank you for watching. Bye.